Hi, so we're gonna talk about a question on vector. This is from set KMPP set A paper 1 section B. Suppose there are two airplane flight paths described by parametric equation below P1 and P2. The first question saying describe the shape of the flight path. So when they're talking about shape, they're actually asking about the direction that they're flying. So we just tell the direction. P1, these 3, 6 and 1 here are the position vector. So if they are asking about the direction vector, you should look at here the 0, -2 and 3. So P1 flies in the direction 0, -2 and 3 is actually -2j plus 3k. P2 flies in the direction 2, 1 and 2. So you just write down 2, 1 and 2. Then they ask, determine whether the path intersect. To understand this, you have to understand that two paths, if they are parallel to each other, they will never intersect each other no matter when. But if the two paths are not parallel, so they might not intersect right now, but they will in the future at one point. So in this case, to determine whether they intersect or not, the only thing you have to check is whether they are parallel. So looking at these two, it is quite obvious that they are not a constant of each other. So it's obvious that they are not parallel. But if you insist to show, so you can say you check V1 cross V2. So you do a cross product to check whether they are parallel or not. Let me do some note for you. If parallel dot product, cross product, V1 cross V2 will be 0. If they are perpendicular, V1 dot V2 will be 0. Alright, this is small note that'll help you. So now we are doing V1 cross V2. If you don't get it as 0, so you know that they are not parallel and they will intersect in the future. So right here we're gonna do 0, -2, 3, 2, 1, 2. So we have -4 minus 3i minus 0 minus 6j plus 0 plus 4k -7i plus 6j plus 4k. So this is not 0. So you say since P1 and P2 are not parallel, the path will intersect. Alright. So the third part asks if determine if the plane collides. So they will collide because since they are not parallel, they will intersect. So how we will determine the point where they collide or intersect is where you just have to find the T or the S where they equate both. So there are two paths When they equate both, the t and the s will give the same value. So I'll equate both as in here. For the value of x, so x is 3 and x is 1 plus 2s. We will have 3 is equals to 1 plus 2s. So you get 2 equals to 2s and s equals to 1. You just have to find either s or t. So since I find s right now, so I'm going to put in x is equals to 1 plus 2s, which is 1 plus 2 times 1, 3. Y is 3 plus 1, 4. Z is 2 plus 2 times 1, which is 4 as well. So they will intersect at point 3, 4, 4. The plane will collide. This I use path 2. If let's say you found the value of t here, so you can substitute into P1, but you will get the same answer as well. This is why they say intersect.